Hi everyone, I'm Mansi and welcome back to my channel. So sorry if I look tired. I just got back from the work. And I'm hungry. So I'm going to make Maggi, and you'll think, why would you make a video on making a Maggi? But I make Maggi in a different way. So little backstory, I used to hate the Maggi which has vegetables in it. So I just used to eat like the regular Maggi masala, like regular Maggi, the not even the atta one, like the regular masala one. But recently I saw this one video, and I saw it on Instagram. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description. I think it was a food blogger. I forgot his name, but I think he's from India and from Delhi. I'm not 100% sure. I'll find the video and link it in the description. So this Maggi recipe is kind of inspired by him. It's a tiny bit different, and I'm sorry if I couldn't find his video and can't put it, but I'll try. But if I can't, I'm really sorry about it. So let's make Maggi. We're gonna need, of course, the Maggi, green pepper, tomato, onion, garam masala, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, cumin seeds. I'm not sure if I'll put it or not. Red chili powder and cumin, and what is it called? Dhania jeera powder. So yeah, let's cook the vegetables, and also you'll need oil. So let's cook vegetable and get started. Let's cut the vegetables and get started. I don't think I'm gonna use whole tomato. I'm just gonna use half. So there's trick for cutting an onion that I learned while I was working in Subway. So I know in Subway they just have machines, so you don't have to really cut it, but you still have to take out the, what is it called, chotla? The outer layer that you don't eat. So the trick is, whatever I learned, I'm gonna teach you that. So you take out this part. I don't know what is it called in English. So you take that out. You take out the other side, and then you cut the onion in half. And then it's easier. What you do is just take out the layer that you don't eat. It's like so easy. Done. Onion got in my eyes. Anyways, so veggies are done cutting. Oh, also the story, I just forgot that I was explaining the story. So yeah, right after I saw that the guy's recipe, I was like, why not try to make it? Just give it a try, and if I don't like it, I don't have to eat it from, like, I won't eat it ever with vegetables. So I was like, let's try it, because it also had garam masala and other masalas in it. So I was like, yeah, let's try. And then I tried it, and now I don't like eating the simple Maggi. Now, like, even if I want to eat simple Maggi, my mind is like, but that one's gonna taste amazing. So why don't you just put like few minutes of work, like 5-10 minutes of work, not even, and get amazing Maggi. So yeah, if you also don't like Maggi with vegetables, try out this recipe and yeah, see if you like it or not. Okay, I'm taking this pan, turning on the flame, and adding oil to it. So I'm gonna add 1 and 2.5 spoons of oil and let it heat a little bit. You can check the oil is heating up is either add few of the mustard seeds, dry mustard seeds. It should be popping. The oil isn't done yet. Or you can, I'll add after a few seconds. I don't even know what I'm saying. Or you can add this, what is this called? Jeeru nahu kehwai? Cumin seeds. And if they make like this sound, the oil started heating up. So since it started heating up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my veggies first. So once you add your veggies, add a little bit of hardar. Okay, I'll link what is it called in English in on the video. Then dhana jeeru powder, like a spoon or a little more, and then red chili powder a little bit, and mix it a little, and also add the Maggi masala that's inside at the same time. So since I'm making 2 Maggi's, I'm gonna have to add 2 packets. Why does the Indian packing doesn't really like open like that? It's like annoying sometimes. So add the Maggi masala. Mix it. It smells so good. And you see it started like drying a little bit, so add a little bit of water. I'm adding a little bit of water to it. Not a lot, only tiny bit. I actually added a little more, but okay, that's fine. I'm gonna have to add a little. Oh, I think this amount is good. So yeah, after you add water, you can add your Maggi, but let this heat up for a little bit, then add Maggi. While that's heating up, what you do is you take those packets and you see all that masala that's left, you just take it on your finger and lick it. I always used to do that. And the best thing is eating this raw Maggi, dipping it in the masala and eating it like that. I should have done that, I forgot. But even though this Maggi tastes really good. Let me know in the comment section below if you also eat kachi Maggi, raw Maggi, whatever it is, and the masala. Let me know in the comment. Also, if you let me know how you make your Maggi actually. So some people put masala first, then Maggi. Some people put Maggi first, then masala. So let me know. This is heating up, so I'm gonna add this Maggi. I don't really like to break it in small pieces because then you don't get the long noodle. So what I do is I break them vertically. So once you add Maggi, you need to add more water. If you think you can make your Maggie in 2 minutes, you need to contact me because I really can't. It usually takes more than 5 minutes at least. So yeah, I think I should make a video on making a Maggie in 2 minutes, like with someone. But yeah, you can't really make your Maggie in 2 minutes. No, I'm talking a lot, but just the thought just came to my mind that you know how for Maggie you don't really boil the noodles separately and then put the veggies separately. I feel like we should try it for like regular noodles, like make the noodles, just boil the noodles and put vegetables inside and masalas inside, not like boil them separately. I think we should try that. I think I should try that. Oh, also I'm just realizing the water is less, so you should have added this from before, but I'm gonna add like half of the glass of water and let it boil more, or more than half of the glass. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put a lid on it and let it boil for some time, like a minute or something. Just eating some random stuff. I'm sorry, I was hungry. I just realized we didn't add the garam masala. So add this when you are adding all of your other masalas. So very tiny bit. Garam masala is very like garam for your body. So I'm adding very tiny bit. And you can add salt if you want. I really don't like a lot of salt in my food, so I'm not gonna add the salt, but I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And yeah, you can add this at the beginning. You can also add it at this point of time, but add it at the beginning because it gives better flavor to the noodles. I think the noodles are still not ready. I'm gonna let it boil for a few more minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. So I don't really like very much, like so much gravy in my Maggi, so I think I'm gonna let it boil a very tiny bit and then I'm gonna turn off the flame. If you like more watery Maggi, then add more water, of course. I don't really like very watery Maggi or noodles, so I'm not gonna add more water or anything. And yeah, I'm just going to turn off the flame at this point. So good. So I hope you liked my way of making a Maggi and try it out. Let me know how it tasted. If it's bad, let me know how bad it was. Yeah. I just felt like making a video on Maggi, so like on my recipe, on the recipe that I got to know somehow. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you do, then hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. this is really small for me, or for you it really probably doesn't matter, but I'm close to hitting 100 subscribers. Over a year has passed and I haven't even reached 100 subscribers. I know I'm expecting a lot. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Focus. Bun tha.